I want to start this video off by saying that the techniques and tips you will learn in this video is not the generic stuff you always hear in these kind of videos. Like be consistent, find a niche and all that stuff we all already know. So upon hitting 1000 subscribers myself, I thought why not give back to the community by sharing some of the tips and tricks I've learned and used to grow my channel to over 1000 subscribers. Now maybe you're sitting out there with around 100 to 500 subscribers, and that's honestly pretty good. A lot of people give up before then, so take a moment to be proud of yourself, you should. And I just want to say, I totally get you. If you feel like you deserve more subscribers and your channel isn't really growing like you want it to right now, trust me, I've been there. But if you're patient, I promise you, it will reward you at some point. Just don't give up. So anyways, in this video, I will share exactly how you're getting to get more subscribers, more views, more engagement, and making new YouTube friends as well. So basically, showing you how to grow your channel if you feel stuck right now. Just make sure you watch the whole video because I'll be sharing valuable tips throughout the whole video. Alright, first off, understanding that one of the most powerful ways you can influence your growth is by taking action yourself. Now I know this might seem extremely obvious, because it is, but yet it's very critical to understand, so give me a moment to explain why. Basically, the way we can influence our growth is by uploading videos and commenting on others' content, right? Now uploading videos is great. This is what will make people stay loyal to your channel and might also be the reason why they subscribe to you. But people don't care about the amount of videos you have, they only care about the one video they clicked on. So remember this, quality beats quantity all the time. Now I won't spend more time on videos because you already know all this stuff about being consistent and all that. But what you might not know is the following technique you will learn, which is called the comment strategy. And before you click away, no, it's not about typing, hey, let's do sub for sub. This technique actually works and it gives you organic subscribers instead of someone that's never going to check out your channel ever again after subscribing if you do sub for sub. Now, I believe that commenting is the one, if not the most impactful way you can influence your channel early on. And the reason I believe this is because your videos might be great, but no one sees them at first. YouTube ain't magically gonna promote your videos, so you have to do the legwork first. So here's how you're gonna execute the comment strategy. The first thing you need to do is find out what niche you're in. If you already know what niche you're in, great. But if you're not, then maybe you're in the cooking niche, the gaming niche, the car niche, the making money niche, and so on. It doesn't really matter what niche you're in, just know what you're in, alright? So when you have determined what niche you're in, it's time to find the biggest YouTuber on the platform in this niche. Now I recommend you find 10 to 20 with at least 500,000 subscribers. And you're going to subscribe to them and remember to hit the bell as well. This way, when they post a video, you'll get notified immediately. The last thing you need to do is wait until some of them post a video and then watch the entire video and try to be one of the first to comment on the video with something relevant, funny, or whatever can drag people's attention to your comment. And obviously you want to do this with all the big channels you just subscribe to. Now it's just a matter of law of averages to kick in, which means that when you do this over and over again, with time, one if not more of those comments will get to the top of those videos you commented on, and a lot of people are going to see your channel name and icon, which leads us to the next phase, which is to have an icon and a name that stands out from the crowd of comments. This way, people will be more likely to click on your name or icon to check out your channel. And to put things into perspective for you, I will demonstrate why this strategy can be extremely rewarding with a bit of luck. So let's say one of your comments gets to the top section of a video. 1 million people are going to watch the video, and let's just say 100,000 people are going to see your comment, and a tenth of those people are going to click on your channel. That's 10,000 people checking out your channel, and imagine if just 10th of those people are going to subscribe to you, then that means you just got 1,000 subscribers from one comment. Well, that's the potential at least. It obviously depends on the quality and how relatable your content is to the viewers, that determines if they subscribe to you or not, which is why we're commenting on people in your niche. Alright, that's the comment strategy for you. Next up is trying to find like-minded people and try to help them grow their channel by engaging with their content so that they might help you with your YouTube channel and the YouTube algorithm as well. And the best part of this is that by doing this, you also make great friends sometimes. Because commenting is the way we communicate on YouTube, we're going to find people with around the same amount of subscribers as you that is in the same niche as well. When you're finding these new people, or rather channels, you should subscribe to them because then you can continue helping them with their channel and the same way around. After you subscribe to them, then go watch one of their videos you find interesting and then comment something nice and relevant to the video. Because remember, people are curious creatures, so the person that's going to see your comment will with high chance check out your channel as well. And here's the key thing, without you telling them to do so, you don't need to write in your comment, please check out my channel as well. By doing this, you will establish a community with time and helping each other out growing all your channels. So it's a win-win. Now the last and final thing you need to do is being consistent with the comment strategy and helping others out by watching their content and engaging with it. Otherwise it's not going to work, unfortunately. So remember, building a community with other YouTubers is the best thing you can do in the early stages. Don't be selfish and think you will lose subscribers or whatever. Focus on helping others because in the end, they will probably also help you by subscribing and commenting on your videos as well. And on the plus side, you also get people discovering your channel through the comments you have put on other channels, right? Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more informative videos. And if you've got a question you want answered, make sure to leave me a comment down below. Alright, see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.